So right now, the vehicle is just idle for the safety features. I can turn on the lane keeping assistance and the automatic cruise control. When I turn on the lane keeping assistance, there's a camera that's in this box that scans for traffic, and there's a radar in the grill that will allow me to stay in the lane that I'm traveling in and apply the brakes automatically if an accident is imminent or if I depart from a lane abruptly. It would try to correct itself. This vehicle's equipped with Apple CarPlay, so if you have an iPhone, when you use your Apple cord to connect to the console, it shows the apps on screen. They're jumbo size, so they're nice and easy to reach and see. It also does the same thing for an Android. It's called Android Auto. But hands-free driving is something that's big here, especially in the state of Georgia. You want to make sure that you're not using the phone and looking down and trying to manipulate the device. So right now we're jumping on the loop, and what I'll demonstrate is the vehicle's safety features with Honda sensing. Right now the steering wheel is keeping me in the lane. If I take my hands off and I start to sway to the left, it's going to come back, and now it's pulling the vehicle back to the right. So this is something that allows you to kind of maintain driving with a little bit more relaxed feel, because you know that the vehicle's not going to drift abruptly if there is something in the way. So I'm doing about 60 miles an hour right now. There is a big truck in front of us. If I turn on that radar and I set my cruise control, so what I'll do is I'll set it to maintain a 4-car length distance at all times. And so it's going to do that. Now this car just jumped in front of us. We're coming up on a turn on the loop. They're braking. My vehicle's braking. The car is turning and maintaining the distance that I set for us with all these safety parameters. So we just completed a turn on the loop. And of course now the vehicle says steering required. The car's smart enough to know that I'm doing, or the car's doing 100% of the work. So when I'm behind the wheel, if I'm not actually putting input into the steering wheel, the system says put your hands on the wheel, even though it can basically drive itself. Now that's not how you're supposed to drive the vehicle. You're supposed to always have both hands on the wheel at all times, but it's there as a backup.